Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing essentials so you can stream without delay. Sign into Kik, enable two-factor authentication, and copy your stream key. Keep it secret. Then install OBS and set base and output resolution to 1080p 16:9. Once done, connect OBS to Kik using that stream key and test audio devices, microphone, and desktop sound. Make sure overlays are available and scene collection is saved, because you'll move into building your broadcast next. Now you configure scenes and streaming quality so viewers get a smooth experience. Create distinct scenes, gameplay, webcam, and BRB, and add sources like display capture, window capture, and video capture device. Set bitrate to 4500 kbps for 1080p at 60 fps. Choose X264 or NVENC depending on your CPU and GPU. Add audio filters, noise gate, and compressor for cleaner voice. Once you're ready to go live, finish with a checklist so the broadcast is solid. Enter a clear title, choose category and tags, then click Start Streaming in OBS. Monitor chat and the OBS stats panel for dropped frames or high encoding time. If problems appear, reduce bitrate or switch to hardware encoder. Make sure moderation tools and hotkeys are active. When done, stop streaming and save recordings. If your stream stutters, check network, prioritize wired Ethernet, restart router, and lower bitrate as a primary fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.